Hello, welcome everybody to July 14th stream. A little late, sorry about that. Kind of slept in a little bit. I'll get better at that, I know I will. Might start at 6 to be honest. 6 is like when the moves usually do happen. So even if I wake up at 5:30 to 6, I think it'll be a lot easier for me. But we'll see. Other than that, I'm gonna go long right now. I'll explain that in a little bit here. We're still working on the website. You check it at jenko@supertraining.com. And I'll post the link soon. It's still a work in progress, but we're getting the hang of it. But other than that, let's get the day started. Let me see if Chad's online, actually. Participants, join computer audio. He's not online yet, but he'll be here soon, I'm thinking. So I need to edit the site. Give me a second for that as well. So here's the website so far. That's the URL. It's kind of on a still work in progress, right? Mission statement, all this stuff. Still a work in progress. It's coming out. Investing. We're gonna have a video here, introductory video, and then more information. Introductory video, more information. Same thing with psychology, daily recaps. We got the blogs, have the test posts. That's us. We'll write about that too in a bit. Same with contact us as well. Live stream. Here's the live stream. You can actually open it up in that and actually chat on the website as well. As for the videos here, this should be working. I don't know what's going on. I was testing it out. Maybe I'll have to fix the coding for that. There are a lot more videos than that. I don't know. This I probably have to fix a little bit. It was working yesterday. But yeah, no, I'll fix that. And we have a video yesterday. It's still a work in progress. So that's a website there. My gold long. You say, why am I in a gold long? As per the analysis, remember 1792 was the level I was talking about. As you can see, it perfectly hit 1792 and went up. There's minimal consolidation, broke past the consolidation from overnight during London session. So there's a lot of confluences for this price of gold to continue higher, especially now when you go to that 1 hour. 1 hour broke out of this consolidation as well. So if it finishes bullish, it gives me more confidence for this trade for it to continue higher, but we shall see how that goes exactly. But yeah, I'll be working on. We'll both be working on the website here and there. Still a work in progress, obviously, but I mean, it'll get done. No rush. There we go. Making a website's actually pretty interesting. Done it before, did HTML before with the help of a good friend back in the day. But yeah, no, this one's actually pretty interesting to create. Still have to figure out what's wrong with this YouTube channel on there because the video should be rolling. It's a YouTube channel gallery. I'll have to figure that out later. No rush for that. My average price on this is 1802, so I'm pretty good. 1802, I think 1803. I averaged up a little bit. I was adding on to it because the breakout seems pretty real. TP is going to be a little bit below the highs at 1808. Kind of play the range in there, so see how that goes. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, so now the hourly closed on gold. Let me do a quick analysis on that. One moment, please. Let's go top down. Monthly, still bullish. Weekly, kind of slowed down a bit. I wouldn't be surprised if it finished bearish. The daily kind of tapped into 1792, pushed all the way up. So now if it pushes higher, it should continue to fill the wicks or make new highs. It is still bullish, in my opinion. When you go 4 hour, couple 4 hours to look at, you got the 4 o'clock 4 hour candlesticks, 4 o'clock 8 o'clock ones. It's still in this range. It's still in this pretty big range over here. Now when you go to this 4 hour, you can see it rejected the 1792 level we have marked down, pushed all the way up, finished above. So now we look at this doji. It's kind of like a disregarding candle. It's nothing really happened. Decision, no real direction. So now when you go to the 1 hour, 1 hour was not a strong bullish close, unfortunately. But this next hour open is pushing the price higher. 30-minute, as you can see, is pushing it higher as well. 15-minute, yeah, it's all pushing the price a little bit higher. I think we'll wait. We'll see. Maybe my stop loss now can be adjusted below 1801. I might reduce risk, get rid of some of my positions that are a little bit higher. I think I have I'm gonna get rid of a few positions at 1804. So yeah, we'll wait. I think this is gonna be a patience play for sure. So Euro, I'm bullish on Euro. It's just like, where do I get my entry now? Break above, come back, retest. 1 hour kind of hit a area of contention. 4 hour finished bullish. That was a tough one to say, to be honest with you. For pound CAD, you kind of have this support level it could reach potentially. USD CAD. USD CAD's bullish. Yeah, it's probably gonna hit the upper range. I'm gonna start getting it on the way. I need a better price for USD CAD. Under a long now, I'm probably gonna get stopped out. For pound CAD, it's going down. It's very choppy today. Very choppy. Maybe summer hours are actually kicking in. We'll see. It's gonna easily tap 1800 before going up too, so that's one thing I'm gonna watch with gold. See how it reacts here. Anything 1798, 1797. If it goes down here, then I will be out 100%. That means it's bearish, and it will continue going bearish. The one thing that I do like is you kind of have this rejection at my 1792 level. You move, you have this push up. It's usually what gold does, right? If it continues its bullish momentum, it should have a push up, retest the highs, and see if it breaks. If it doesn't, then it'll push down. But if it does break, then you have a lot of room to go. And gold on higher time frames is still bullish as well. So I'm gonna have to wait and see on that one. This sort of movement, I'm not too worried about. It's only if it breaks these lows that I'd be worried about. But this sort of movement, pretty good actually. Creates lower weight, kind of grabs more liquidity to push up. But once again, we will see. Gold's still bullish. Shorting gold is tough. So patience, everybody, patience. Choppy pound cat is higher. Wick was higher. Wick was higher. Breaking support. It is what it is, right? Nah, I'm in gold though. I'm not gonna touch anything else. If I'm in gold, I gotta stay in gold and leave it like that. Ooh, look at that move. Oh, wow. Okay, I have to get out. I'm out of this trade. I hit my stop loss at 1798. Trade has been done. So yeah, there's no trade on this anymore. That hurts. It's all good though. So what went wrong here on, I was just looking at this, sorry, but what went wrong on gold? So give me 1 second. I'm in a USD catch right now. What went wrong on gold? I think this weak bullish close is the reason why I couldn't push up. It was a weak bullish close, meaning that it didn't really close with a big body candlestick. And then as this one rejected, it broke the low, tapped into this level. I mean, it could be consolidating again, but other than that, if it breaks lows, then you have to get out. And that's exactly what I did. I'm staying disciplined, preserving my capital. There's been times I've held on to gold and then boom, it goes down, like especially in March. I'll probably have a video on that, what happened there. But other than that, I mean, what can you do, right? Entry was when gold was breaking out. In hindsight, needed to core position TP out at 20 pips, let runner run or break even. Use this as a lesson to strategy and execute. With the first entry, follow your strategy and execute. Entry was 1801.8. Easy 20 pip TP. Oh wow, this thing is tanking too. No one can break easily. I guess pound's tanking. Maybe that US dollar's strong. So now I'm in USD CAD longs, kind of have like a reverse head and shoulders. I've been watching this. As per the analysis, I said it would reach up here eventually. It might actually be today too, but we'll see how this reacts. There's clean traffic now going up. Higher highs, higher lows. You break out of this range. So now my stop would be below here. My TP is probably going to be around the 60s area. So I think I'll just wait and see. I think the US dollar is strong today. If I go to it, daily 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, there's a chance it could push up because pairs against the US dollar have been going down, with oil kind of going down as well, making the Canadian dollar weaker. Should give me enough confidence for this USD CAD trade. I'll explain that in a second. I'm just gonna save this chart. Put it there. Gotta log it. Now we can go to USD CAD. So here's what I'm looking for on USD CAD, or here's what I see exactly. You have your first shoulder, right? You have your head. Oh, let's connect it. There we go. And then you have your right shoulder. Okay. So that's a reverse head and shoulders after a big downtrend. We're still in this consolidation range, which I called during the analysis on Sunday. You have a breakout here. You have a retest here. Stop loss will be below that. TP is potentially up here eventually too. So if I had to like write it out for the viewers to understand, we have a reverse head and shoulders pattern after a downtrend / down move. Price is still in a long-term consolidation range. It broke the head and shoulders resistance line, came back, retested that level and is pushing higher. If it 70s and 80s level can be easily reached. Okay, so we'll put that as the first one. Text box. Let's have a few more. 1, 2, 3. We have stop loss below the retest level / candlesticks. If it does happen to push below, the trade is invalid. There we go. What was that? Yes, I'm gonna delete this note. Stock screener. How do I minimize this? There we go. Okay, so now this is the retest and the edgy. 1.3624. NSL 1.3605. 1.3624. SL 1.3604. TP 1.36. Let's go 74 for now. Because if it does break out, previous / higher level. Retest range, then there's clean traffic upwards to this level. This would be caused by a stronger US dollar, as well as the price of oil dipping lower, causing a weaker Canadian dollar. There we go. That's my trade for that. I'm gonna save this gold one. Very interesting gold one. Gold July 14th. I mean, it happens, right? I can't get too caught up into that gold trade. It's USD CAD trade though. I think I like it more for sure. It has a lot more potential. 100%, it has a lot more potential. I feel like just based off this analysis and the price of oil, like I have the dollar and oil on the side over here. So if oil does dip lower, then Canadian dollar is weaker and this shoots up. Big thing is if it breaks out of this range, then you do have clean traffic going up. That was one of the analysis we called. We said this is going to be a consolidation range. So it should, in theory, kind of push up there. I need to remove drawings for a second. Yeah, that's clean traffic going up. Weekly, same thing. Weekly got the slower wick, and then weekly is going to be at 136.87. So it'll get up there eventually. Oh. It's gonna be tough. This has to like go up today. That's the thing, right? Today, tomorrow, but it's Tuesday. There's gonna be more volume. You got the reverse head and shoulders coming in, so let us wait and see on this trade here. The 4-hour look. Yeah, 4-hour looks good too. 4-hour, you get a wick fill, pretty minimum, and then continue to push higher up there. So it's a 1-hour trade. Damn, this did tank. this is tanking too. I don't want to trade gold right now. I think the trade was in the morning when it bounced off that level, but it is what it is, right? I'm just logging in my gold trade at the moment. There, I'm gonna put my USD CAD trade as well. 7:15. Okay, I got those trades in. Logged in my gold trade, have my USD CAD trade in right now. Biggest thing I think is if it breaks above 30, gives me more confidence to go that this trade is more valid. So we'll wait, we'll see. No, I feel pretty good about the trade, so let's wait and see how it goes. 30 minutes kind of having this bullish structure. It has to break above 30s though. 35s, 30s, 40s. Breaks above those levels, then I'm pretty chilling in the trade. I'll probably put my stops at break even at that point. Go from there. Honestly though, I think I might TP in the 60s ranges, but we'll see if price action does what it's supposed to do. Top side, boom, boom, boom. There we go. Work on the website a little bit here. Now, why isn't this YouTube thing working? YouTube channel gallery. If anyone's watching, I doubt it. I'm trying to get the YouTube channel videos, kind of like a gallery just rolling through, but it's not really working. So wait and see. Maybe I have to edit it every time, which would be kind of a nuisance, but I think it'll be all right. Maybe when it uploads, right? Let me check YouTube 1 second. I don't know if it's uploaded yet into the YouTube server. That might be the biggest thing. It is uploaded into YouTube server. Weird. It's all good though. I'll figure it out eventually. But yeah, look, it's pretty nice. Like how the whole website's looking right now. Oh, whoops, I don't want to add a section. Daily recaps. Test. Post 3. Simar Bedi. You can add an image. So if I go add image, upload. Oh, see, look. USD CAD's breaking out higher. Patience trade for sure. Let's have this inserted here. Goes. Wait. I wonder if I could actually. No, I probably have to do that after. Category name. What's this? Trading. What is the category name? Okay. I'm gonna update that. Can I go back to my website? Wait a second. What's going on here? Damn, pound CAD just tanks so hard. Holy. That was the trade. That was the trade I needed. Wow. Should trusted that one. That one actually was playing out beautifully. I don't know, I just never really trusted that one. This one, it's weird right now. We'll see. It's still on the hour time frame. Oh, that's what categories does. I'm not gonna put categories then. Maybe, I don't know. Manage blog. You go to the washroom real quick too in a bit here. Oh, I'll be right back. I gotta go use the washroom real quick. Oh, I'm back. I'm back. Okay. Good USD CAD. Yeah, if USD CAD actually breaks the previous 30-minute low, I think I'm gonna be out of that trade. I'll be watching that one for sure. So, other than that, interesting day. Quite rangy, quite choppy. It's very tough to trade. Did expect this continuation after the break right here. Retest, pop up, but obviously it doesn't go as expected. Standard trading. So we'll see. Is it almost there? I have it at 12. So if it hits 12, then I'll be out. Oh shit! So close. So close. Yep, I am out of that trade. It happens, right? Oh, I didn't punch me out. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm out of that trade. Happens. Oof. Two pretty bad trades today. But it is what it is, right? I followed my analysis, followed my trading plan. I can't ask for much more than that, to be honest with you, right? Let me save this picture. I think my last trade is gonna be this gold trade, though. I did get into a gold trade. It's on the side. Remove these drawings. Damn, it's actually breaking the lows. I'm happy I got out a little bit earlier. Good job, Sam. Got out earlier. Gold. That was a crazy wick. I would never have expected that. If this finishes bullish, then I'm good. I have a long at 1800. So let me actually give you guys the reason why. I have a long at 1800. Give me 1 second. I'm saving this USD CAD trade. It's gonna be my last trade of the day on this gold trade. I think that's good enough. 3 trades. Yeah, I can make one more decision. I am in profit right now too, so that's a nice part. Yeah, I guess I'll just wait, let it play out a little bit, see how it goes. 1808, my TP. I still feel like 1808 is the level you can reach today, but we'll see. What I was looking at on this trade, for example. Okay. So let me break it down. 4 hour, you have this rejection at the 1796 level. It's rejecting this level and it keeps pushing higher. It taps into here, pushes higher. Taps into there, pushes higher. That's one of the things that got me back into this trade. Second thing, you look at the hour, same thing. Taps into that, pushes higher. Taps into it, pushes higher. That's just a big liquidity grab, let's be honest. I've seen this stuff on gold. Grabs liquidity. These are the wicks we talk about when we're doing simulations. These wicks, just huge order flows. You can see the big selling pressure and then huge buyers, smart money, retail investors, institutions just buying it up from those levels, 1796. That's why I thought that 1800 would hold when I had my first long, but the second time. We'll give it one more shot, see how that works. So the 30-minute, when we break it down, 30-minute, same thing. It's support at 1796. If it breaks above this kind of area of contention, we're going to up here. So this area of contention, I think we need a finish around like 1803, 1804 to have further confluence of the price of gold continuing higher. So we'll see. The stop's going to be adjusted below the previous 30-minute candlestick. It shouldn't get there in theory. Since the market's open, there should be more volatility. Should see the price of gold even 1808. I think I'd be all out on my TP. Got my 20 pips. 20 pips will be soon coming up. My average price is 1800.5. So I think another 5 pips for my 20 pips. Then hold my runner for first target wick fill, second target up here. So hasn't hit yet, my core TP. So we'll wait and see how that goes. Oh no, my average is at 1801. Sorry, I'm just re-looking at it. Yeah, it's 1801. So 1803, and then wick fill, first TP, second TP, 1808. Maybe leave a small position going. I don't know yet. So wait and see how it goes. Euro, you were the trade. Oh my god, I was on that call too. That's tough. The US dollar actually taking that bad. Fake out. Fakety fake out. This is the one thing during my Sunday analysis I call it. You're gonna like see some weird movement, consolidation, break higher. It's in a range right now too, so I do think this will go and test the upper end of the range, upper spectrum of the range. But obviously, we'll wait and see on that. I'll write it down in a bit. I'm just kind of analyzing it as we go as well. It's a 1 minute low. Because in my opinion, gold buys are the safest play here. Gold buys are safer than anything else. Gold sells are tough because, as you can see, even what I said on Sunday, sells and pushes back up, sells, pushes back up, sells, pushes back up, sell up, sell up. That's the one thing too. And overall, if you go to like every time frame on the higher time frame, it is in a bullish structure right now. So that's a one thing that's kind of giving me confidence for this trade, for example. But as you can see, this daily, that daily flip was at where I entered too. That's one of the reasons when I saw it daily flipping again into the bullish area. That's why I entered. 1808 is this level right here. That's why I think the TP was 1808. But I think we'll wait and see how this trade turns out. Wow, Euro broke out. That was Chan's analysis. Just a little lick and then boom, break out. In all honesty, now I'm looking at this. This is in a bad range. Should not have traded gold today. This is in a very bad range. Very dirty, dirty, dirty range. Dirty range. $98 is gonna be my stop loss. So if it's 98, I am out of this trade. Almost. Yep, I'm out. Yikes. Damn, not the best trading day, but preserve capital. I'm happy with that. Preserving capital, just living to trade another day, and going from there. There's gonna be trades opportunities the whole week, so see how that goes. Euro was a trade though, to be honest. That was just beautiful. Kind of should have been paying more attention. I even called that one too early on in the stream. I was like, Euro has potential to go up higher. Obviously, I didn't play it. Unfortunately, I didn't play it, but it is what it is, right? So. What is this doing now? Oh wow, that broke bearish. Eh? That's crazy bearish break. This pattern didn't even play out either. Damn, just not the best trading day. Trading environment has been tough. Very tough. The analysis did play out though on this one. It is what it is though, right? I mean, trading does that all the time. That's why it's trading. This daily structure does look good to test the 80s. Maybe I'll try a swing on this later today. Maybe if I have a price around like 136, have like an 80 pip swing. But other than that, I think I'm gonna be done trading for the day for sure. Tough day, tough day. Tough day. Yeah, this is probably gonna make like another higher low here and then continue to push higher afterwards. So We shall see how that turns out. Oh yeah, CAD interest rates are tomorrow too, so that's probably just setting up for that to sort of move on this one. And I'm guessing on pound CAD. Nah, pound CAD has broken bullish structure. It is now a bearish structure. This was the last area of contention, right? When it broke that, that's the confirmation of a bearish structure move right there. But once again, it is what it is. Oh yeah, I forgot to take this picture. Save that. Move this aside over here. Tough day. Very tough day. I think pound CAD and euro were the trades. Pound CAD did play out as per analysis. That played out pretty perfectly, pretty beautifully. But, I mean, what can you do, right? So. Euro USD. Damn. Fly up, bird it, fly up. I do expect gold to hit 1810 today. 1808, 1810 area. That's the one area I do expect it to hit, but obviously we'll see how that goes. That last hour movement, hey, the last like 10 minutes in the hour always moves like that. Very interesting. I've always noticed that on gold. Always noticed that on gold. $30-minute looks nice. I'm not trading anymore. I had 3 losing trades, so I'm done for the day today. El finito for the day today. So We'll see if the gold trade pans out and if it actually hits the target up there. So, see how that goes. My target is 1808, 1810 levels. So we'll see how this, if this actually hits today, or if it just ranges in this crazy range right now. But I mean, structure is still bullish on higher time frames, so we'll see. I think my biggest issue with gold is trying to chase it. When you're trying to chase it, it kills you. For lack of a better term, it kind of just destroys you, demolishes you. Every time you try to chase it on the short, chase it on the long, look what happens. The reversal is steep and hefty. I think I might put buy stops at 1806, but we'll see. Because if it breaks those wicks, then you have pretty good traffic going up. Pretty clean traffic going up. Now, 1808 would still be my target. If anyone wants to take a long on this, you have your stop below 1796. You're basically a 1-for-1 trade right now. Stops are below here. TP is going to be 1808. Lucky number or not, I believe it will probably get up there eventually. So. $1805, hey. Anything above 1805 will probably push it up. So we'll see, yeah. Anything above 1805 will push the price up. Right now I'm just trying to learn and analyze a little bit more so I can actually like learn from my mistakes and see what I could do for next time. So but yeah, 1805 is gonna be one of the target levels I'm gonna be watching. Even on the 5-minute, 1803, 1804 starts breaking above there, then should keep going, trusting the higher time frame, of course. It's tough to take sells on gold. That's what I've learned the hard way over the long term. Yeah, then I think I'm gonna end the stream there. Hope everyone enjoyed it. Hope everyone stayed safe. Wasn't the best stream, I'll admit that, but it was a good stream nonetheless. I enjoyed it. It was informative. We had some good trade calls, some good movement, some missed catches, but other than that, it was good. Every day is a good day of just living. That's gonna be my new philosophy. But thank you everybody for tuning in. Sorry for the late stream. Be up earlier tomorrow.